Oh, forgot to mention, it's your boy Bobby B, aka BK Motorsports. Catch me if you can. Alright, so we gutted out the white Impala, as we know, just the white one. We gutted out the radio, so y'all already know what time it is. Stay tuned. Alright, so we finna test run it. Make sure everything work right. And I'm gonna get back to y'all when we test run it. All my wires hooked up, so let's see if I still got it. Oh shit, we see the light. We got some action. Okay, let's test running the rest of it, and then we gonna hook him up. Sorry for the actuator, that tapping noise. That's the actuator doing all that tap 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 tapping. Okay, look at that. We got Tay Tay on the front cover. Okay, that's the end result. I actually been finished, but I'm gonna do some more rewiring tomorrow. I'm gonna hook up my backup camera, and I'm gonna probably reroute the power cord wherever it's going from, cause it need to go to when I turn my key ignition off all the way. I can still listen to music.